Sometimes, I just can't wrap my head around how Koreans have such impeccable skin. Here we are, grappling with acne, dark spots, and large pores, and there they are, flaunting their curse of glass skin. It's almost unfair, right? How do these blessed creations of God manage to have such clear, luminous skin? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the heart of Korean skincare. Let's unravel the secrets behind their flawless complexions and see if we can't bring a bit of that magic into our own skincare routines. Let's start by stepping into the history of skincare in Korea, which is more than just a daily routine. It's a legacy deeply embedded in their culture, dating back centuries. In Korean culture, having good skin is not seen as a mere indulgence or a response to vanity. Instead, it's considered a crucial aspect of one's overall health. This deep-seated belief stems from the idea that the skin is a reflection of one's physical and sometimes even emotional well-being. As such, taking care of one's skin is as vital as taking care of any other part of the body. This philosophy of skincare has been woven into the fabric of daily life and passed down through generations. It's common for Korean parents to teach their children about proper skincare routines from a young age. This education often includes lessons on the importance of cleansing, the value of sun protection, and the benefits of natural ingredients. Such early and comprehensive education on skincare leads to a society where maintaining healthy skin is a deeply respected practice. This centuries-old tradition, rooted in the principles of nurturing and caring for the skin, has contributed to Korea's reputation as a leader in the skincare industry and has influenced skincare trends and practices worldwide. But what really sets Korean skincare apart? It's their unique philosophy. Instead of waiting for skin problems to appear and then treating them, Koreans focus on preventing them in the first place. They believe in nurturing the skin, giving it the hydration and care it needs to stay healthy and resilient. This approach is about being kind to your skin, using gentle methods to protect and maintain its balance. Now, let's talk about the famous Korean skincare routine. You might have heard about their elaborate routines, often involving 10 or more steps. It sounds intense, right? But each step has a purpose. It starts with double cleansing. First with an oil-based cleanser to remove oil-based impurities, followed by a water-based cleanser for the rest. This ensures that the skin is perfectly clean, setting the stage for the next steps. Next comes toning. Think of it as prepping your skin to absorb the goodness of the products that follow. Then we have essences and serums. These are like magic potions, each designed to target specific skin concerns. Moisturizing is next, and it's non-negotiable in the quest for glass skin. And let's not forget sunscreen, the ultimate shield against skin aging. But remember, while the products are important, it's the philosophy of gentle care and consistency that truly makes the difference. Korean skincare is not about quick fixes. It's about taking the time to understand and care for your skin daily. It's a form of self-love and respect. Now, let's talk about the role of diet and lifestyle, often overlooked aspects that are crucial for achieving that enviable glass skin. In Korea, what you put inside your body is just as important as what you put on your skin. A typical Korean diet is a testament to this belief, focusing heavily on vegetables, fruits, and fermented foods like kimchi. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and good bacteria that not only nourish the body, but also contribute significantly to skin health. Koreans also love their seafood, which is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, helping to keep the skin clear and reducing the chances of acne breakouts. And let's not forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water is a staple in Korean skincare, essential for keeping the skin hydrated and flush out toxins. But it's not just about what they eat. Lifestyle practices play a significant role too. In Korea, smoking is less prevalent compared to many Western countries, and this has a positive impact on skin health. Smoking can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and a dull complexion, so avoiding it is key for maintaining youthful, radiant skin. Stress management is another critical aspect. High stress can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to issues like acne, eczema, or psoriasis. Koreans understand this connection well and often incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation or gentle exercise into their daily routines. Now, let's circle back to their skincare regimen. After the initial steps of cleansing, toning, and applying essences or serums comes the use of face masks. Masks are a staple in the Korean skincare routine, offering deep hydration and targeted treatments. Whether it's a sheet mask soaked in nourishing ingredients or a sleep mask for overnight rejuvenation, these masks provide an extra boost to the skin, helping to achieve that smooth, glass-like finish. Eye creams are another key player in the Korean skincare lineup. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest and requires special care. Eye creams can help to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, keeping the eye area bright and youthful. Now, let's delve into the innovative products and ingredients that are at the heart of their routines. Korean skincare is renowned for its pioneering use of unique, often natural ingredients, many of which have now become global phenomena. One of the most intriguing aspects of K-beauty is its use of unconventional yet highly effective ingredients. Take snail mucin, for example. It might sound unusual, but it's a popular ingredient known for its healing properties, helping with everything from hydration to reducing acne scars. Then there's green tea, packed with antioxidants, which helps soothe irritated skin and combat signs of aging. Rice water, another staple, is used for its brightening and nourishing properties, giving the skin a radiant glow. But it's not just about these individual ingredients. The way they are formulated and combined in products is where the real magic happens. Korean skincare products often feature gentle yet potent formulations designed for deep penetration and maximum effect. They cater to a wide range of skin types and concerns, ensuring that there's something for everyone. The popularity of these products has also been fueled by their accessibility and affordability. Unlike some Western brands where premium prices are the norm, many Korean skincare products are budget-friendly without compromising on quality. This democratization of skincare means more people can access products that work well for them. Another key aspect of Korean skincare is customization. The understanding that everyone's skin is different is deeply ingrained in their approach. It's not about following a rigid routine, but about tailoring the products and steps to suit individual needs. Whether it's addressing dryness, oiliness, acne, or aging, there's a focus on personalized care. As our exploration of Korean skincare comes to an end, it's important to remember that while the products and routines are influential, the true essence of K-beauty lies in its philosophy. It's about understanding and respecting your skin, giving it the care it needs, and being patient and consistent with your routines. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just starting out, incorporating some of these Korean skincare principles can help you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of Korean skincare. If you've enjoyed this journey and would like to learn more about skincare and beauty from around the world, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more exciting content like this. And if you have any questions or your own skincare tips to share, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, keep nurturing your skin and embracing your natural beauty.